Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. Based on this channel, I created so many videos in the subject maths, and now today we are going to learn something about Vedic maths. So you all know that Vedic maths is with some sutras and based on some sub-sutras. By using only these sutras and sub-sutras, we are going to do the work very faster, but not when compared to our normal methods. So in today's topic, we are going to learn how to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit method, 2-digit by 2-digit numbers by Vedic method. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. So as I already said that in the previous classes we learned something about how to do multiplication and basics of addition, basics of subtraction also. So in today's topic we are going to learn how to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit by Vedic method. How to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit by Vedic method. We'll see now. I'll just increase the size for you, then you can see it very clearly. Okay. Now we will start doing this. So I'm just going to take a number that is 22 into 31. So very simple. First thing is you should multiply first digits. So 2 into 3, that is 6. And second thing is multiply middle digits and add. So when you come 22 into 31, so this multiplication is completed for the first step, and now you are going to do this cross and add this. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, that is 2 plus 6, that is 8. And the third step is multiply last digits, means this 2 digits. 2 into 1, that is 2. So the answer for this is 682. Now in the same way we'll follow the same we'll go for the next question. (68) into 35. So first we'll multiply this 2, and then the cross multiplication. 6 into 5 plus 8 into, okay, we'll write like this, 68 into 35. So 6 5s are 3 8s are, right? And now the last 2 digits, that is 8 into 5. So 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30 plus 8 3s are 24, that is 54. and 8 5s are 40. If you observe here, in the first question we got all single digits, whereas here we have all the double digits. So what we should do is, this first number will come for the addition of this. Means 4 plus 4, this 0 will write as it is, and this 4 plus 4 will become 8, and this 5 will go for the 8 plus 5 is 13. Again you have 2 digits, so again this 1 will go there. So 3 will come, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2380. Now we'll try with one more example. That is 75 into 83. So first we will write like this: 75 into 83. So what is our first step? First we will multiply this 2, and the second step is cross multiplication. 7 into 3 plus 8 into 5, and the last is last digits multiplication. Now 7 8s are 56, 7 3s are 21, plus 8 5s are 40, that is 61, 5 3s are 50. Now this one is adding the tens digit to the ones place of the second number is called balancing rule, and this ones place will write as it is, and this 1 plus 1 will become 2, so the 2 will come, and the 6 will go for addition of this, that is 12, and again this will both will add. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6225. So we'll go with one more example. That is 78 into 25. Seven, 8 into 2, 5. So first we'll multiply. 7 2s are 14. And 7 5s are 35, plus 16, and 8 5s are 40. So we'll write again 14 and 1, 3 plus 2 5, and 40. So apply the balancing rule. You'll get here 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, and 1 will come as it is. So the answer is this. Okay, is it clear? Multiplication of 2 digit by 2 digit numbers. Just simply by following these 3 simple steps, you can get easy multiplication. I hope you all understand today's class. By this you can please give me a thumbs up at the end of the class. Thank you for listening.